This Tyson Beckford bar will completely give you an upper body workout. Doing these exercises right here with this Beckford bar is a complete workout. If you want to do 50 push-ups with this guy and you're a beginner, I promise you, if you do them on your knees, you're gonna get a great workout. Are you ready? I know you're ready. All right, here we go. Yo, what's up guys? This is Royal. I am coming at you guys with another video. Here in this video, I'm gonna be talking to you guys about a special piece of equipment that's gonna help you get your workout in at home. Everything that's going on right now, you know, with COVID-19 and all of the gyms being closed right now and not having access to gyms, or gyms trying to allow themselves to be open by exercising and working out outdoors. Maybe you are somebody that doesn't want to work out outdoors. Maybe you're somebody that it's just too cold right now. For me, it gets a little chilly in the morning. I'm in SoCal, and sometimes when we wake up in the morning, it's like 40 degrees out here. And I prefer right now to just work out at home, or I do have a local gym that I tend to try to go to in the afternoon and evening times to get my own workout in. But for you guys, I ended up linking up with a cool brand that decided to send me out a piece of their equipment. And I will tell you that this piece of equipment is tough. It is tough, it's tough, it's tough. It's right here, all right? If you guys can see that, where is it? There you go, it's right there. It is the Beckford Bar. You guys might know Tyson Beckford. He is part of this brand, this company. I think this is a great piece of equipment, and I am going to be showing you guys a couple different exercises that you guys can use with this piece of equipment right here, why it is great, the pros, the cons. I'm going to give you guys a great review on the Tyson Beckford Bar. Let's get into it. All right, here we go. We have the Tyson Beckford Bar. One thing I really like about this piece of equipment right here is that it is mobile friendly or travel friendly, okay? Like this thing literally weighs like nothing in my hand, okay? I could probably like shoot this all the way across a basketball court if I wanted to, because it's just that light. So what we have here is we have two metal poles. With these metal poles, they allow for the handles where we have our hands to slide back and forth on these metal poles right here very smoothly and very easily. You can even see if I tilt it, it'll easily slide from one side to the other. So with that sliding mechanism that it has in there, it does have some ball bearings on the inside, which I kind of like. They're kind of like throughout the entire inside of this grip right here that I'm rotating to allow that very smooth and free glide back and forth. That's one thing. We have these two poles. The next thing is, obviously I've been talking about the grips already. With the grips, you have some nice firm foam, I guess we just call this. I've already used this, you know, numerous of times. It does get a little dirty on there. You know, all gym equipment gets a little dirty. I'm not really concerned about it getting dirty, but for what I'm seeing right now is that it'll definitely last us quite a bit of time. I'm not having any scuffs on mine, and I've probably had mine for about a month and a half already, so that's really good. Next thing, we do have our three brackets. We have some rubber on the bottom of it. If you can see that right now, you got some rubber on the bottom of it right there. And the three brackets are just gonna allow us that when we have our hands on it and we're doing our push-ups and we're sliding back and forth, that our hands aren't sliding on the ground. So even if you do have big hands, I tend not to think that my hands are actually that big. I think my hands are probably about medium size. Like, I'm a tall guy, I'm 6 feet, 6'1", but you know, I've always been a basketball player, so I tend to have that athletic style body build. So when it comes to my hands, I don't think my hands are actually really that big. But hey, to each his own. Some people think I'm really big. We got some knobs on both sides where the pole is attached inside of the bracket, where you can cinch it down so that it doesn't move. Again, with this piece of equipment, I definitely think this is primarily something for you to use for your push-ups. So guys, when we want to hit those, you know, like 100 push-ups a day or 200 push-ups a day, or maybe you want to start off more of a beginner and do 50 push-ups a day, I think this is really good. It's really great if push-ups is something that you really want to focus on and you really want to tone up for your body. When you're doing your push-ups, you're going to be working out a couple different areas with your body. One, you're going to be using your chest muscle. So with the sliding mechanism that you have here with the Tyson Beckford bar, it's great for activating your chest muscles. You're going to be working your triceps. You can do some tricep exercises with this guy too, as well as you're going to be using your shoulders, because your shoulders are going to have to stabilize this weight. a big thing as well. I did say that you're primarily going to be doing push-ups with this, but there are numerous other core exercises as well as high intensity exercises that you can use this Tyson Beckford bar with because of it being on the ground. So when it comes to mountain climbers, you can use this instead of your ab wheel. Unilateral push-ups when it comes to mountain climbers, when it comes to froggers, when it comes to push-ups, when it comes to tricep push-ups, when it comes to single arm push-ups. There are a lot of different exercises that you can use all with this Tyson Beckford bar. So if I'm gonna give this a grading scale from 1 to a 10, I'm gonna call this like an 8. Okay, I'm gonna say this is an 8. And the reason I'm gonna call this an 8 is because of a couple different reasons. One, can't really see how I can use this for my legs just yet. I definitely appreciate Beckford Bar for sending me out this Beckford Bar so that I can check this out and I can show you guys what you guys can be doing at home to make sure not only one, you're staying active and you're continuing to exercise, but two, you can work out at home. It's a great piece of equipment. Again, I'm gonna make sure I put my link down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video on a review with a Tyson Beckford bar. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Again, every time you guys subscribe, it lets me know that you guys are liking the content I'm bringing you guys. If you have any comments, please put those down below. Whatever videos that you guys want me to do as well, put those down below and I'll make sure to get to those videos as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.